Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover Snapchat streak without paying. So guys, if you want to recover your Snapchat streak, if you have lost it and you want to recover it without paying, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now you have to simply open your Play Store or App Store and search here for Snapchat. And now you have to simply download and install the latest version of Snapchat app in your device first. So guys, simply update your Snapchat and after this open your Snapchat and now you have to tap on your profile and then you have to tap on this gear button for settings and now scroll it below all the way and then tap on help center and wait here for some seconds and now tap on I lost my streak. So guys, here you can see this, I lost my snap streak. Simply tap on this and now scroll it below and tap on this form, fill in this form. So guys, here you can see this, simply tap on this form and now scroll it below and enter your username here in this box and then your email address that is associated with your Snapchat account and then your mobile number, and here you will have to give a one friend's username. So guys, enter friend's username here and after this you have to simply submit this request to the Snapchat team. So guys, they will review your request and hopefully they will restore your snap streak as well. So guys, this is the way which you can follow to restore your snap streak on your Snapchat account. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.